Young Cam Jansen, and the Missing Cookie. The school bell rang. It was time for lunch. Mrs. D told the class, "Don't go yet. First, copy your homework." Mrs. D wrote 6 math problems on the chalkboard. The children in the class copied them, but not Cam Jansen. Cam looked at the board. She closed her eyes and said, "Click." Cam always closes her eyes and says, "Click," when she wants to remember something. Then Cam opened her eyes. She waited for her friend Eric Shelton. He was copying the homework. When he was done, Cam and Eric went to the lunchroom. Jason Jones sat with Cam and Eric. Jason said to Cam, "You didn't copy the homework." Cam smiled. "I remember it," Jason said. "No one can remember all those numbers." Eric said, "Oh, yes, Cam has an amazing memory." Cam closed her eyes and said, "Click." Then she read off all the numbers. "So what?" Jason said. "I didn't bring my notebook. Maybe those are the wrong numbers." Cam's eyes were still closed. She said, "Click," again. "Jason," she said, "you're wearing a polka dot shirt. There are 7 polka dots on your shirt pocket." Jason counted the dots on his pocket. Cam was right. "And there are lots of short white hairs on your right sleeve." "Those are Emily's hairs," Jason said. "She's my dog. I played with her this morning." Jason brushed off some of the hairs. Then he said, "You didn't remember all that. You were peeking. I'll prove it." Cam's eyes were still closed. Jason took a piece of paper from his pocket. He wrote, "Say yes if you want a chocolate chip cookie." Jason held the paper in front of Cam. She didn't say yes, but Eric said yes. "No," Jason told him. "I wrote this only for Cam, and if she didn't say yes to a chocolate chip cookie, maybe she's not peeking. Maybe she really does have an amazing memory." Cam opened her eyes. "My memory is like a camera," Cam said. "I have a picture in my head of everything I've seen. Click is the sound my camera makes when it takes a picture, and I say click again when I want to remember something." Cam's real name is Jennifer, but because of her great memory, people started to call her the camera. Then the camera became just Cam. Cam took a cheese sandwich out of her lunch bag. Eric took out a jelly sandwich. Jason had a lunchbox. He opened it and took out an egg salad sandwich. "Hey," Jason said, "where is my chocolate chip cookie?" Cam and Eric looked into Jason's lunchbox. There were cookie crumbs inside it, but no cookie. Jason said, "Last night I put the cookie in my lunchbox. Now it's gone. Someone stole my chocolate chip cookie." "But who would steal a cookie?" Cam asked. Jason said, "During class, my lunchbox was in the closet. Anyone could have opened it. Maybe Pam took the cookie. She sits near the closet. For lunch, she only gets a sandwich and carrot sticks." Eric shook his head. "It wasn't Pam," he said. "I baked sugar cookies and I gave her one, but she wouldn't eat it. She doesn't like cookies." Cam said, "Your sugar cookies were burned. That's why she didn't want one." Jason looked around the lunchroom. "Look at Susie," he said. "Susie was eating a big round cookie. That may be my cookie." Susie was at the other end of the room. Jason walked over to her. Cam said to Eric, "I don't think Susie would steal." Jason looked at the next table. He saw Annie take a big cookie from her lunchbox. Jason said, "Look at all the chocolate chips in that cookie. That's the cookie that Dad baked for me." Jason ran to Annie's table. Cam opened her eyes. "Stop him," Cam said. "Annie didn't take his cookie, but I know who did." It was too late to stop Jason. He was already at Annie's table. Cam dropped her sandwich. She ran to Annie's table. Eric followed her. Annie was about to eat the chocolate chip cookie. Cam, Eric, and Jason were looking at Annie. Other children were looking too. "My birthday is tomorrow," Annie said. "Are you here to surprise me?" "That's so nice." I'm not here to be nice, Jason said. Stop, Cam said. I know who took your cookie. I know too, Jason said. Annie took it. Annie looked at her cookie, then she said, I took this from home. It's mine. Annie bit into her chocolate chip cookie, and cookie crumbs fell onto the table. Annie is right, Cam said. It is her cookie. Cam looked inside Annie's lunchbox. She told Eric and Jason to look inside Annie's lunchbox too. It's empty, they said. Cam said, Now let's look in Jason's lunchbox. Cam, Eric, and Jason went back to their table. They looked in Jason's lunchbox. It's empty too, Eric said. No, it's not, Cam said. She turned the lunchbox upside down. Crumbs fell onto the table. You had crumbs in there because your cookie was eaten while it was still inside your lunchbox. Who would eat a cookie that way? Jason asked. Cam pointed to the short white hairs on Jason's sleeve and said, A dog would eat a cookie that way, of course, Jason said. It was Emily. She ate my cookie. She'll eat anything. Cam, Eric, and Jason finished eating their sandwiches. Then Eric said to Jason, I'm sorry your cookie is gone. You can have some of mine. Eric gave Jason 2 sugar cookies. Thank you, said Jason. He looked at the cookies. He gave them back to Eric. You are a good friend, Jason said, but you are not a good baker. Cam was right. Your sugar cookies are burned. Even Emily wouldn't eat them. Well, I would, Eric said, and he did.
Thank you for watching Sally's World. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so we can keep on reading.